Now this is what the color range looks like. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran. In today's video we will be talking about this gorgeous Mars eyeshadow palette. This is a very nice eyeshadow palette, but we will see about the pigmentation, the colors, shades, swatches, everything. So I will be creating a beautiful eye look using this palette, and then let's just get started. So if you do like this video, then hit the subscribe button, follow me on my Instagram, and that's about you guys. Let's get started. First of all, look at this packaging, you guys. This is so stunning. I love the outer packaging of this. And now this is what the color range looks like in up close. This big quality size of mirror, so this is awesome. Okay guys, so the transition is done. This is what the transition looks like. I've applied around 3 to 4 layers to build this transition up. So I'm picking up this color next to intensify my outer corner. Outer corner to be a little more dark, so let's use this shade right here. Okay, now let's apply a shimmer. So I'll be using now finally let's use a beautiful glitter right over here. This is the glitter that I'll be using. Guys, this is the look that I've created. Now let's talk about the final review of this product. So this eyeshadow palette comes in 63 shades. It's a stunning color range. Now either you're a beginner, you're a makeup artist, you're gonna love this palette for the amount of eye looks you can create with it. Now let's talk about the pigment. So matte eyeshadows are very good in quality and has very decent amount of pigment. Now when it comes to your pigments actually, so you can just apply the pigments with the help of your finger rather than a brush, because when I tried applying it with a brush it didn't work that well, but when I tried picking the product up with my finger and then patting it on my eyelids, it did a very good job. So last thing is about the glitters. Now the glitters are real good quality and has stunning color ranges again. Now the only thing I would suggest is when you're applying a glitter, make sure you use a glitter glue and then apply the glitter, which will give you a very good effect. And that's it, you guys. Apart of that, the entire palette is very decent quality. It doesn't have any sort of chalkiness, powderiness, anything at all. And all the colors are stunning. If you are planning to buy this palette, then it's absolutely a yes from my side. Then you can go ahead for it. I'll leave the products link in the description. Now that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming up with more such videos. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram, you guys. Bye.